In this lesson, we will learn how to solve the ratio, basically part-to-part types of problems. We will use proportion to solve these ratio problems. So, proportion is an equation relating two ratios. Ratio of A is to B is equals to ratio of C is to D. Let's take an example. The ratio of boys to girls in a class is 5:6. If there are 72 girls in a class, how many boys are there? Now, the first step here is to set up the proportion between the ratio of boys to girls in a class and the actual number of boys to girls in a class. Now, as we don't know the number of boys here, we will assume the number of boys to be x. So, we have the proportion, that is 5/6 is equals to x by 72. We will cancel 6 from the denominators and cross multiply. So we will get the value of x, which is basically the number of boys in the class, as 60. So hope this part was clear to you. We will see you in the next lesson. All right, in the last class we have learned how to solve part-to-part type ratio problems. This lesson we will cover how to solve part-to-whole type ratio problems. Let's have a look at the question here. The ratio of boys to girls in a class is 5:6. If there are 72 girls in a class, what is the total number of students? Here boys have 5 parts in a class, girls have 6 parts in a class, hence class is total 11 parts. Thus girls constitute 6 parts out of the total 11 parts, or 6/11. Let us set up the proportion. Now here 6/11 represent ratio of girls to the total number of students, and 72/x is a fraction of absolute value of girls and total students, which is given by the variable x. We will cancel 6 from both the numerators and cross multiply to get the value of x. Hence the total number of students in a class is 132. So hope this lesson was clear to you. Now, okay, let's solve these practice problems.